Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, authentic, original, official, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, or trolls. And this is another episode of Burgh Unboxing. Now, I just did two that are on the membership-only channel, and you can join my channel for $6.99 a month. And remember, all monies go to feed homeless kitties. There are 10 kitties I feed, my 3 and another 7. And a new one showed up the other night, a pretty little gray tabby, male, very shy. But he got food. Okay, this item came in a box with another item. So I already did a video on the membership channel. This is to everybody. Now this is something to help me do videos when it starts getting super hot, as it will Thursday. So there's the box that came in. I can get rid of that. There's one more video I'll be doing in a minute. Then I'm getting in the shower and get out of here so I can go shopping. So if you want to see the video on the membership only channel, you'll have to join. And it is 23 days to the year 70 birthday video. Alright, now where did my scissors go? Okay. This is something I got. I said, I wonder if I can find this so I can take the camera outside and hopefully to reach far enough so I don't have to sit here and roast. I can sit outside and roast, but I'll be cooler outside. So this is a purple people eater style, and it's still not opening. There's another video I have to post. You'll see that. And there's one more video to come up. Now, why isn't this opening? We got this in this nice bag, but it's being difficult. Okay, there we go. Got it open. And this says here, thank you, Robert from Elabase. You're satisfied? Anything missing, incorrect, different than you expected, please reach out. I expected a free steak dinner, but okay, serviceLBaseOutlook.com. Okay, so they give you a little card with a QR. And this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. And it is very long. There go my pills. So this is, I think, 30. Oh, they gave me 2 of them. Oh, my God. Wow. So I have one. I think this is for my iPad. That's not the one I thought I ordered. Let me double check here. I think this will fit. I got 2 of them now. Wow, I can sit here and... my iPad cable is 10 feet. And this is 15 feet. They sent me 2 of them. Why, I don't know. Kind of a Velcro thing here. Good, and I can plug this into the USB port if it will fit. The problem is that these USB-C, I have no USB-C connectors except to the Mac Mini, but I have to get another charger. But this will plug. This is not the cable I thought it was. I'll have to see if I ordered that or not. Okay, it does work. But this is a 15-foot cable. I keep going to sleep and I keep pulling the charging cable out and then I'm running out of power. But now I can probably do videos outside if this might reach out the front door. We'll find out. So they gave me 2 of them. I have one by the bed and one here. So that's great. All right. That's it for this one. I'm surprised they gave me 2 of them. I don't remember ordering 2. And there's another item, but they didn't send the item that goes with the other item, and I'm going like, when is that going to come? So very weird. All right, this will work. Another cable from Amazon. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay cool, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. Great, I got a cable for the bed and a cable for the in front of the Mac Mini. So I don't have to keep switching back and forth once I get another charger. I need a second charger because I don't have anything USB-C. That's the problem with USB-C. There's no rear adaptability to USB-A unless you get USB-C, USB-A cable. Kind of annoying. Bye-bye for now.